Hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. I'm sitting here with an 1802 monitor. That is very yellowed. Very, very incredibly yellowed. I'm going to do something I don't normally do. I'm just going to take some water on a handkerchief here. I'm going to pour water onto the handkerchief and to the magic eraser to just get it wet. I'll squeeze it out. Now the reason I'm doing this is there is considerable filth of the ages on this monitor. This magic eraser started being quite white, although it is falling apart, and within a few seconds it's filthy. And for those not familiar with a magic eraser, it's basically kind of like a sponge, but it does clean up old computer stuff, and I'm sure lots of other things quite remarkably. So I'm getting the filth of the ages off of here. No chemicals, no soap, no anything, just put it in water, rub it around. It's funny, there's a spot up here. I never liked these monitors because they don't stack nicely. I suppose I was kind of spoiled by the 1701 and the 1702 that stack very nicely. Ugh. And I can't really squeeze this out too well. But I can rub this over and just get rid of whatever crud there might be. Because what I'm going to do, and I've already done with one, but I wasn't sure. Look at that. Look at that. Well, it's falling apart, but also it's gross. Gross. Now, magic eraser will not take away scratches. It will not take away like horrible damage. It will take away the filth of the ages that a monitor gets when sitting around for years. But the yellowing, it won't take away yellowing, of course. The yellowing, that can be helped quite simply by the sunshine. Ugh. Even this cord is pretty gross. So I'm just going to grasp the cord. Oh, look at that filth. And with this magic eraser, which started out not that long ago, looking like this, is pretty much toast. Pretty much. But I'm gonna just try and get a little bit more. A little bit more here. And then, what am I going to do with this? Well, I'm going to take it outside. And I'm going to put it in the sun. And eventually, I'll bring it back up here and show you what the sun can do. It's quite remarkable. No chemicals. Just the sun. So, stay tuned. I think you'll be surprised. I'm typically surprised. I have another one out there that already has been cooking in the sun. Of course, the one thing you have to be careful with, especially with monitors, and I suppose I could take the case off this. But anyway, you certainly don't want it to get rained on, so I've been very careful that on days that have any chance of rain that I don't do this. I think that is wise. So, thanks for coming. Stay tuned. Have a lovely, 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 lovely day. Bye for now.